if you're looking, you'll see that bird. That bird managed to get inside. But that's really weird. He's attacking. Attacking the window. It's in the playroom. Seriously, we've been living here like a few years. We have never had the bird. We never had that bird inside the house. Oh. What's it doing? Seriously, that kind of bird behavior. It must be some kind of bird behavior. Really don't know what's happening. I want to get closer trying to show you because I might get attacked.